and you're feeling threatened because of you think that something's going to happen to you. Because as much as I want her to go, I also want her to stay because I know my presence here and her being with me is making her feel insecure. So that's enough for me. As much as I'm nice, I can be toxic as fuck. So if you're saying I came to you, I did not come to you to say anything. Andy, were you not there? I see, let me say, she's a cockroach. I can't come to her to say anything to her. I will step on her and squeeze her dry.
A few moments later.
Say where I am and then I'm gonna fucking answer you, bitches! You are threatening me, are you crazy? Do you know how I got here? Dirty bitches! You smell! Tell me something to my face.
Just face your man. Fish up. He needs some love. He needs some love. Relax.
Come!
Hey,
Come!
I didn't want to.
I don't date a man because of accent! I fucking have class, I pick brains! Do you fucking know how many degrees I have? Do you know how many people I train? No life bitches! You suck the fuck, you suck my living!
Come, fucking dog, bitch, come!
Baby.
Come now!
Baby now.
Dog!
Baby now.
Come now!
Baby.
Pussy ass, come on, Lolo!
Say something! Come,
Hold up.
fucking say one thing! You don't have